This is Wayne Belcher with United Professional. We're going to demonstrate how to successfully load a bolt caulking gun with self-leveling silicone sealant. We're in a SR99 Seattle tunnel, installing fire stopping as our first joint, followed by Dow 902 over the top. So here's how we effectively seal or fill a gun. I want to make sure I have a good seal. I don't go any further than the threads, as you can see. Good hand-eye coordination required so I don't lose the material. I come up, put the cap on without making a mess. I take my tool, my cat tool, and I clean the edge around. Now I come up. I want to take out the air slowly or it will pop right into your face. So we take out the air, and now we're ready to seal. Thank you.